जी यहाँ पे
समझ नहीं आ रहा कि तुमको नहीं आ रहा।
कृति कृति
कृति वंस मोर। कृति जी सारंगे भी कर सकते हो।
ये ब्लू हो गया।
तुम कम नहीं हो भाई। हाँ
कृति यहाँ पे कृति यहाँ पे
ये जो है ना मचाओ मीडिया वंस मोर वाली।
कीर्ति नहीं पे कृति
Ngoài mày rồi. Next mark. Next out ही है. No passing.
भाई हमारा फोटो होने दो थैंक यू फोटो कर ले हम लोग
Wait. नुस्रत इधर. नुसरत मैम इधर. इधर भी.
हाँ लाइट चेंज हो गया। लाइट चेंज कर दी क्या?
क्या पता नहीं.
वो आना गया।
हाँ वो ना डे लाइट खत्म हो रही है.
आप देखिए यहाँ पे
मैम नेक्स्ट मार्क. मैम नेक्स्ट.
ये साइड अरे नीचे करना
मैम नेक्स्ट मार्क. बस या ना अच्छा मिला. मैम इधर. मैम यहाँ पे. थैंक यू. थैंक्स. मैम वेट. अरे भाई थोड़ा पीछे ना।
पीछे को बैठना भाई।
महिमा जी इधर।
राजा पीछे हो राजा।
भाई राजा
ये चेयर पे
राजा थोड़ा
बैठते
पीछे
कहाँ
ना।
चेयर कितनी खाली पड़ी पीछे।
उठाओ ना उसको।
फुल फ्रेम नहीं मिल पा रहा, तुम्हें सारा आ रहा भाई। हाँ हरिया।
खत्म। मैन सामने। महिमा जी बाय।
मैम सेंटर मैम हियर निकिता या निकिता 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 निकिता
निकिता इधर 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 निकिता इधर इधर इधर।
नीचे का तांबे वेट वेट रुकिए थोड़ा राइट होल्ड होल्ड अभी यहाँ पे अभी
चलो या वेट वेट
बस वेट वेट वेट।
सर पीछे बैठना।
सर सर थोड़ा पीछे होके बैठ। मैम इधर मैम इधर इधर इधर। मैम इधर नहीं देखा आपने।
अरे काम में तो हाथ जोड़ कर को बुलाओ आवाज से पकड़ के यार आवाज आए तो गया
चलो
थैंक्स।
चल वो लड़की है घाटा।
क्या कर दिया लाइट को। अरे यार हद होती है।
वेट वेट
वेट वेट वेट वेट। लाइट क्या किया है ये दोबारा। मैम इधर।
लाइट तो है नहीं।
यार कौन अपना दिमाग चला रहा है यार ये
अरे
लाइट का यार।
कहाँ गए थे
भाई क्या है तुम अपना सही करने के चक्कर में हमारा खराब कर रहे हो। लाइट वाले को बुलाओ यार।
पूरा फेस की लाइट।
थैंक यू जब वो आते हैं हम यहाँ देखते हैं यार कैमरा मैम नेक्स्ट वेट 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 होल्ड होल्ड मैम इधर देखिए सेंटर देखिए मैम नेक्स्ट मार्क मैम नेक्स्ट मार्क होल्ड होल्ड आएंगे आएंगे उधर
मैम नेक्स्ट।
ये कुछ बोलना है इधर मैम लुक हियर कितनी का ये सही का
इधर इधर मैम इधर।
मैम लेफ्ट मैम थोड़ा लेफ्ट मैम मैम होल्ड कृतिका जी यहाँ पे देखिए थोड़ा
बोल देना ना सिग्नल सिग्नल इसका होना।
सर बस बस बस, बस।
तो श्रेया भाई पड़ी।
मैम इधर मैम इधर इधर इधर।
मैम सेंटर मैम
और भाई
सेंटर
कहने लग गया। वेट और क्या
नेक्स्ट मार्क
और क्या जो तुम है इसको दे दो और क्या निकल जाएगा भाई
वेट सर वेट बस गुड मॉर्निंग पास नीचे बढ़िए बैठो थोड़ा सा नीचे भाई बैठो यहाँ पे
मैम ये मार्क पे
मैम इधर मैम नेक्स्ट मार्क
दिस
दिस
देखा ना उधर यार
मैम
मैम मार्क पे
मैम थोड़ा मार्क पे
नहीं मैम सेंटर
ये एक्सक्यूज मैम
मैम
थोड़ा मार्क पे आ जाए
बस
सेंटर
अरे
सेंटर मैडम
रुकिए ऑल ऑफ यू रुकिए
मैम सेंटर अलग है सेंटर
मैडम इधर होल्ड किए होल्ड
मैम इधर फॉलो
यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड या मैम यहाँ पे देखिए सामने आपके सामने
थैंक यू
थैंक्स
ये सोलो ना जी जी
जी मैम सोलो
यहाँ पे
मैम नेक्स्ट मार्क
मैम
जी मैम सेंटर मैम सेंटर जो
जी मैम
मैम इधर मैम मैम
जी जी इधर
जी इधर थैंक्स
थैंक यू सो मच मैम
थैंक यू
फिल्म देखना
ऑफ कोर्स
तुरंत सामने देखिए
करण भाई राइट में करण भाई राइट में करण भाई राइट
नीचे बढ़ नीचे
भाई आते भाई करण भाई
मैं वेट अरे अरे
मालूम है बस बस बस
सर यहाँ पे कबीर सर सामने आपसे कबीर सर यहाँ पे
सर इधर
कबीर सर यहाँ पे कबीर सर हाँ यहाँ पे कबीर सर यहाँ पे
गंदी लाइट है यार
नहीं यार बहुत बेकार है
पीछे तो पूरा मूवी हो रहा है हाँ
वेट
वहाँ की लाइट
बस बस बस
रसिका जी यहाँ पे
रसिका सामने रसिका रसिका जी
मैम यहाँ पे
रसिका जी इधर इधर इधर
रसिका जी वन मोर
मैम इधर
अरे हाँ चार तो नजर मार
रसिका जी यहाँ पे ऊपर
मैम इधर ऊपर ऊपर इधर
मैम लुक हियर रसिका जी राइट साइड मैम यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ पे
हीरो मैम एक सेकंड मार पे मारा है प्लीज प्लीज थैंक यू मैम वानी जी सेंटर इधर 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 वानी जी
भाई थोड़ा पीछे है ना वानी जी पहले इधर करते
वाली जी यहाँ पे अरे वाली मैम हमने खड़ा किया इधर
वानी जी बस
लास्ट टाइम का फोटो
अरे पीछे ना थोड़ा सा
सेंटर में देखना
पीछे हाँ।
मिरर वाला
ए नीतीश पीछे बाय
अरे बताएगा तो
वही तो भाई
यहाँ पे
सर इधर
सर ठीक है बात सेल्फी खींचा नहीं सेल्फी नहीं इसने चढ़ गई क्या तू शॉर्ट फोटो ले जाता है पूरा नहीं क्या फोटो हो जाता है तो आता है फिर हो जाता है ऐसा आगे नहीं रही मेरा मूड नहीं हम खड़ा करता मुझे भी कहा जाए पर तेरे को इतना गारंटी देता हूँ थैंक यू किसी वीडियो में छूंगा ही नहीं चावल अगर वो
वेट 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 शांत भाई इधर 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 इधर
लाइट अलग है
बहुत गलत है भाई
वापस बुलाया ना मेरे को मालूम था सर सर सामने सामने बताना भाई
मत आना भाई हाँ अरे ले
अभी नहीं चल
वेट सर सर इधर सर यहाँ से
सर थोड़ा डायलॉग बोल दीजिए। हे मैम डायलॉग बोलूंगा अगली क्वेश्चन।
वहाँ तो ज़्यादा लाल हो रहा है
और
कोई
क्या?
हैं
नेक्स्ट मार्क, नेक्स्ट मार्क।
रेडी हो जाए लोग यहाँ पे।
राइट, एक सेकेंड।
मैम लेफ्ट,
नाश्ता क्या?
यस।
अभी लंच किया। लुक हियर,
मैम लेफ्ट साइड जी यहाँ से देखिए।
इधर इधर मैम, इधर मैम, मैम इधर ऊपर।
मैम लेफ्ट साइड
हाथ पीछे रखिए सामने।
बाय। मैम सर राइट में, सर राइट में, साथ में। सर वेट वेट, इधर इधर मैम, इधर।
भाई यहाँ पे
थैंक यू।
चलना होगा
हट रे। सर सर इधर। प्रतीक सर इधर।
बहुत गंदा लाइट है यहाँ पर
अरे यहाँ
पूरा नीचे का पूरा जली रहा है
वही तो।
तो ये करे इसको भी कर देना चाहिए था ना
इस तरफ होता है।
नेक्स्ट मार्क
क्यों है?
मैम नेक्स्ट मार्क।
मैम नेक्स्ट मार्क, नेक्स्ट। मैम नेक्स्ट मार्क।
क्या कर रहा है सर
बस मैम इधर लुक हियर। इधर मस्त है यार लाइट। ओके थैंक यू। मैम इधर। वेट वेट वेट।
वेट पूरा लाल है
ऐसा मत बोल भाई।
थर्ड मार्क बोल
दिसंबर को आप क्या देख रहे हैं? क्या आप लोग से बात कर रही हूँ? 12 दिसंबर को आप लोग क्या देख रहे हैं? That's my friends.
रोहित पीछे हो
मैम इधर। वाह
ये क्या हो रहा है?
मैम इधर कैमरे के पास वेट 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 यार लाइट है
वो देखिए कितना खतरनाक लाइट आ रही है
वाह ब्लू क्यों आ रहा है
देखना पीछे पूरा ब्लरी हो गया
यहाँ पे वो हाथ आ रहा है
मैम बेटा
यहाँ पे देखिए यहाँ पे
मैम यहाँ पे मैम
नीचे नीचे नीचे
देखिए आप राइट साइड मैम सुनिए तो
अरे
रुको
वेट भाई
ये भाई गार्डन है क्या नहीं
मैम प्लीज सेंटर प्लीज जाइए
श्रीराम दा यहाँ पे देखिए श्रीराम दा यहाँ पे
सर ये सर यहाँ पे सर यहाँ पे
सर इधर नेक्स्ट मार
अरे बहुत बुद्धि राइड कर तो यार करवाता कि नहीं उसकी तुम्हें करवा दी उसकी नहीं करवाई तू अपनी यहाँ का ऑनर है तू यहाँ सबको देखने वाला है यहाँ पर
हाय बाय हाय आओ ले लो
भाई इधर 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 इधर
Thank you so much, sir. Yeah. Nice jacket.
Agastya, look here. Center down.
यहाँ पे
Agastya.
इधर इधर इधर
Agastya.
Sir, you are right, sir.
ताने ताने नीचे देखा. ये ताने.
Sir, you are right, sir. Agastya, sir. Agastya, sir. Thank you.
बस 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 फास्ट मार्क नाइस
Simar, look here.
अरे हाथ नीचे
Simmer, yeah, simmer.
सीमा सीमा इधर 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 मैम सीमर मैम इधर
Hold simmer, hold.
बस 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 बहुत गंदा लाइट है राज जाफर भाई थोड़ा पीछे हो
सागर पीछे थोड़ा. लेफ्ट में देखिए लेफ्ट में.
लेफ्ट
राइट है बे
तुझे पता नहीं अब
हाँ फिर दिमाग नहीं करेंगे.
सर 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 इधर 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 सर जयदीप सर इधर
थोड़ा लेफ्ट जयदीप सर ये जयदीप सर
थैंक्स।
थोड़ा पीछे आओ ना, पीछे पीछे।
आराम से बोल।
सर थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट से सेंटर सेंटर हम लोग तो यहाँ पे देखिए
ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस इधर, बोथ ऑफ यू इधर, बोथ ऑफ यू इधर। अगस्त्य इधर, जयदीप सर इधर। अगस्त्य आप दोनों का
स्टार्ट कर लिया
हाँ। अगस्त्य इधर, सर इधर।
Maker we have in this country. He is relentless and he looks very sweet type, but he's not going to give in. So his only condition was that the war needs to look like a war. And I promise you, the way everyone on this stage has given their life for this film, but when you watch it, you're going to feel you're sitting inside a tank. So this Christmas, what this film will give you is courage. So the way we say it is, this Christmas, gift yourself some courage and go and watch Ikkis. And I feel that every 21-year-old, whether you have him as a parent, a brother, or you are a 21-year-old, by seeing what Arun Khetrapal did, it will change how you look at life. You will be proud to be Indian and you'll be proud to be 21.
I have to say, I've also heard the stories from some of the people who were there on the ground, so I think I have that advantage as well. And I think what's fantastic for me was how many moments I was kind of able to point out and say, this is that, because it was exactly like the stories that we've told, or the things that we have seen. And so I think that for me was something that really came together. And I think it's obviously worked very well. Sriram and Dinesh, you guys have worked together now after Badlapur on Ikkis. What was that like?
Shinam, you answer that. How was it working with me after Badlapur? Since they are slightly different films.
No, Badlapur was a sort of a relatively small film and all that. But this one actually, I happened to be here by chance, because on a particular day, I had gone to Dino's office to discuss, basically to reject 3 or 4 stories that had come to me for Badlapur 2, because I didn't like any of them. And I was sitting there waiting and there was a conversation going on between Dino and Vinny Padda about the film, And I just asked, who's doing this story? I just like the story, so who's doing this story? And they said, nobody's attached right now. So, shall I continue? But somehow, I don't know, it was like, after making also was like a bit of a wall. But yeah, hopefully we won the photo.
No, okay, I'm going to sort of also say, you know, I know that you heard the story while Shah Hussain decided to make it, he asked you, but what about this story really kind of did it for you and sort of made you, because I mean growing up we all know this story, but that's what in fact the first thing I asked you was, how did you hear the story? And so what about this story kind of made you really want to make it?
I mean, the story is actually, you know, it's a story of journeys, you know. There is a journey of a boy becoming a man. I remember once I said, the tanks are ready and this tank is ready, take a video and send me. And the video they took me is going and goes and hits something and stops. It's like that. So we start again the 15 days you have to repair it, and so all these things happen.
I have to say, I'm looking forward to that blooper reel as well. And if there were a blooper reel, what would kind of feature the most on it?
No, I think the blooper, no, but the tanks also
I think Shriram could feature them. But you know, you said what made you make this film? Isn't it unreal that a 21-year-old boy, when you see the trailer, you get some idea, has done the unthinkable. You know, he's blown up 20 tanks, he's gone one against so many. But what's surprising is no one knew this story in the civilians. Because you know, like when we all heard it, how it surprised us is what we want to do to the viewer. Like whatever you've seen in the trailer is at the tip of the iceberg. When you come in, you'll be consumed and you'll really go home, whether it's your brother, you know, your son, you'll tell him that you can do anything. And I have really young kids. And when you see this film, it will give the youth hope, it will give the youth direction in a very entertaining and engaging manner. Because Arun was actually in the first half very relatable. Because he's trying to be perfect but is flawed. You know, and the fact that this is a true story about us that we didn't know is the reason to tell the story.
Absolutely. I absolutely agree. But that's why I asked that question, because like I said, I want to figure out how to come upon in the story, because you're absolutely right. It's very sad, but it's a story we somehow have not seen outside of, anybody in the army knows the story.
So we have Binny Patta, right? And he's was obsessed with making this film. So he came and, you know, he's been, I think he's also from a boy become a very old man making this film. So, and you know, Shriram has really drilled him. So Shriram again looks very, but a lot of people, I think, we should hear from Agastya what all Shriram made you go through to make this film.
First of all, hello, and thank you so much for having us here. I think this experience for me is one of a lifetime. And it's really special that you're here with us. And for the people who don't know, Captain Malhotra at the time served with Arun Khetrapal. So to have you here and do this with you is a huge honor. So I would first like to thank you for being here. And it's a huge privilege for us at least. So I think this film has meant a lot to me. I signed this film when I was 21, and the film's called Ikkis. That was my first kind of entry into the character, into this world. I was truly blessed that they thought I was capable to do it. It was a huge risk, it was a huge responsibility, and something I will never take lightly, because when you're dealing with the Indian Army, when you're dealing with such brave people, you must do them the right thing and give it your best. And Shriram sir encouraged me to do that every day. And if I had to discuss what I learned the most from sir is that if you truly love something and you're obsessed with it, it'll pay off someday. And I don't mean about this film, I mean generally. And that's something that's been so valuable, and I've had such a privilege to work with such brilliant actors. I think Jaideep sir is one of my most favorite actors of all time. And I'm not just saying that because he sat here. Simar's first film, it was a privilege to share the screen with her. She was so confident. And our song, which is just released today, was a blast to shoot with her. I was shocked. It took me 4 songs to learn how to lip sync, but she from the first song knew what she was doing. So I think I was surrounded by such professionals and such experts. I felt at ease. And I'm just really grateful I got this opportunity. And hopefully everyone feels the same when they see the film.
I think in the rushes that I have seen, like I was telling him, literally grown into this role, right? 4 years in the making. So look, you can tell the timeline, and you can tell that progression of that. What was your emotional connection with the character? Because it's not like something you can have a conversation with.
So, I mean, without trying to sound corny, it's like there's something about being Indian that connects you to the army. It's the same sentiment we all share. If it's the same way we feel when we watch a World Cup cricket final. There's certain emotions that we all share. It doesn't differentiate. So when I first heard it was about a young boy who's a Paramveer Chakra, I was already that sense of responsibility in me. My first trip to learn about Arun Khetapal was to Pathankot, as we discussed backstage. And I remember getting there, and his statue was right in front of me. And I looked up, and I swear I got shivers, and I'm not trying to sound a bit weird, but it really, I felt goosebumps in that moment, just seeing the aura of what he had done. You know, being 21 is a very young age. Being young in this country, you usually get told what is right, what is wrong. But here's a boy who came and decided he'll do what he thinks is right. And that conviction to me is deeply inspiring. You know, when we're young, we're not very logical. We think from our heart and we follow our heart. As we get older, we start thinking, okay, maybe I should do it like this. But Arun Khetapal, for me, didn't follow logic. He followed his heart. And I'll continue the rest of my life trying to live like that. Is at least the message I would take from this film.
Yeah, I think, you know, at 21 you are in the most idealistic phase of your life, and I think he had the opportunity and he gave the ultimate sacrifice for it. After backup, what of Arun do you think has stayed with you?
I think it's still with me, and I'm not just saying this because it's a great promotional thing to say. I truly mean that, and that I have to credit two people majorly, Sriram sir and Billy Bhatta, as you mentioned earlier. They enforced the idea of Arun Khetapal to me so deeply that, as sir said, we took his blessings before each shot. And just to get it right for him, I don't think anyone here, of course, we would love for the film to do well, but the first person we would want a thumbs up from was his family, his brother, who saw the film, and anyone involved. So that to us is way more important than what the result or the numbers or anything else is.
You know, so what's amazing is, Mukesh sir saw the film, and the first time he had met Agastya was maybe not the best meeting, where he said, how will he do the film, what has he done, you know, and for him to see the film, and as you know, there's no footage of Arun Khetapal anywhere. There's some excerpts of his voice. And when he saw the film, you know, there's a small video which will come out in a bit where he looked at that same man looking at him and saying, you know, there's such an uncanny similarity. So I think the fact that he was 21 really helped him, and visually, and also when you spend some time with Agastya, you realize that he's a lot in his belief system like Arun Khetapal. You know, in a very small way. He's done much larger things, but I think that there's a common thread in all 21-year-olds where they can dream big and they don't have the concept of fear. Life has not caught up with them there. I think that is clearly visible in this film. Like, you know, I think I told Agastya, and I think after 15 years I've done that I said I really like this film. And last night I told them that I'm going to really cry if this film doesn't do well. And not because it's expensive, but because it means so much to me, and I had to say this to Jenny. My wife saw some sections of the film, and I know sir, you've done a lot of work, and we've never met on this film for the last couple of months, and we've actually met today. Everyone knows Jaideep's a phenomenal actor, but you have to see how his part is walking such a thin line. And his eyes, sir, we got a lot of women are going to compliment your eyes in this film, but he is incredible. He is what ties this film together, and I think we need to give him a round of applause for just being Jaideep being Jaideep. Thank you for doing this, sir.
You know, actually, I'm going to take a cue from there and ask you, Jenny, like you said, it is a very nuanced role because there's pride in the commander himself was the guilt that he will carry, or you know, the mixed emotion that he will carry for his entire time about Arun, simply because Arun was everything, right? How did you try to bring that to the character? How do you try to walk that line through?
पहले तो कुछ चीज़ें जोड़ना चाहूँगा इस चीज़ में। मैं बहुत सारे लोग जानते हैं, सभी जानते हैं, जानते हैं कि मैं फौजी बनना चाहता. So I've been there. There is this place called how my first introduction with Khetarpal. I was there on a peeping ceremony, passing out parade ceremony, and at the peeping ceremony, I'm sure बहुत सारे लोगों ने देखा होगा, सारे ऑफिसर्स ऐसे सीढ़ियों पे खड़े होते हैं, then they अपनी जो कैप होती है वो हवा में उछालते हैं, then the peeping ceremony starts. So the name is Khetarpal. The Khetarpal Auditorium. I mean, I am. So in 1999, I think, if I'm not wrong, somewhere around 2000, I went there and I saw that name that big. So I asked my friend who was passing out from Ahmedabad, who's that guy? So that was my first introduction to Arun Khetarpal. That was 2000. So this is 2024 and army is always closed. Then I went to Nagar long back, like 7, 8, 10 years back. It was again that boy, that friend of mine. That time boy, of course, 19.5 years old. He joined armed forces, basically army. So that time 54, 10, whatever. So I saw again Arun Khetarpal again and again, because now Ahmednagar is a
yes, it's far away from all armor division.
So that was the introduction to Arun Khetarpal, and the film came to me and I like, एक second, what I'm going to do? Sir told me about this character who's playing two different timeline, two different age, and I got scared because in my mind it is very important to cast right people in this kind of film. But he was very adamant. उनको लगा कि मैं बूढ़ा होने से कतरा रहा हूँ, but वो मैं डरा हुआ था सर कि मैं वो प्ले कर पाऊँगा कि नहीं प्ले कर पाऊँगा, because as we all know हमने कभी वॉर नहीं देखी. और एक छोटी चीज जब बात कर रहे थे अरुण खेतरपाल के बारे में, आई डोंट नो कि कितने लोगों के घर में कोई एक फौजी है, चाहे वो किसी भी पोस्ट पे हो. आई थिंक जब कोई आपका अपना उस सरहद पे खड़ा होता है ना, और जो फील आपको होता है जब वॉर होती है, ये मैं भी नहीं जानता, लेकिन बहुत क्लोज दोस्त रहे हैं जिनको हमने कारगिल में खोया है, बहुत ही क्लोज, और जिसका अपना कोई ब्लड का वहाँ खड़ा होता है ना, आई डोंट थिंक कि कोई भी इमेजिन कर सकता कि 21 साल के लड़के में इतनी बहादुरी, इतना निडरता कैसे होती है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. I went to Nagar while I was trying to figure out this character of mine in the film. There was a quote जो कि पाकिस्तानी आर्मी ऑफिसर्स का है, उस बंदे का जो अरुण के साथ लड़ रहा था, कि just a gist I'm taking. That day, between 13 Lancers and Victory, there was a boy of 21 years old. That was the importance. That you can feel कि एक ऑफिसर जो वहाँ बैठा था, उसने बोला कि उस दिन, उस जीत में और 30 Lancers के बीच में जो जगह थी, वहाँ एक लड़का खड़ा था जो सिर्फ 21 साल का था. So you know the importance of that story to be told to the world. We knew, and the other part I didn't know. Sir told me, and I was mesmerized by it. And I hope कि ये फिल्म लोगों तक पहुँचे. उसका जैसे सर ने बोला कि हम परेशान हुए इस फिल्म को कि अगर वो नहीं पहुँची अपनी जगह पे, क्योंकि ये कहानी बताई जानी बहुत जरूरी है. ये सुनना सबको बहुत जरूरी है, जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि उस दौर में क्या हुआ था. उस वक्त जब एक लड़का, उसकी बहुत सुंदर सी लाइन जो आपने सुनोगे, माय गन इज स्टिल वर्किंग सर. आगे की कहानी फिल्म में देखिएगा.
आ चुका है ट्रेलर में, इसको बोलते हैं, बोलो भाई क्या लाइन थी? My gun is still working. What was the line from it? No sir, I will not abandon my tank. My gun is still working. I'll get these so and so's.
And I think that's actually what's on the recording, right?
That's the only line we had.
That's the only recorded line we have, like Arun's voice. That's Arun.
The rest of it is, I think, yeah. So, you know, we've seen you do a very intense role in Family Man. Congratulations, it's been a great...
Dharamji, I don't know the intensity, I don't know the humor, everything he was doing on set, off set was so amazing. I'm sure everybody agrees with this, कि जब वो सेट पे आते थे, जिस तरह के माहौल में वो सबको इतना इजी करते थे, और जो रोल वो प्ले कर रहे हैं उस फिल्म में, It is not easy. It is way too difficult. ये बहुत कम लोगों को समझ में आएगी ये बात, क्योंकि वो कभी नहीं उस सिचुएशन में होंगे. To play Arun Khetarpal's father and himself was an army person. So वो जो एक बहुत थिन लाइन होती है दुख को जज्ब कर लेने में, उसको बयान करने के बीच की जो जगह होती है ना खाली, वो धर्मजी ने कमाल है भाई. तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत स्पेशल मोमेंट्स है जब उनके साथ मैंने वो फिल्म.
I can imagine. I'm going to ask Sundar a question before I think we can maybe perhaps talk about Dharamji a little bit more. Tell me what it was like for you to play this role. How did you find your emotional anchor? It's a story of war, and yet you're telling the love part of the story.
I think the love part of the story. This movie is about, of course, Arun Khetarpal, and I think the fact that he was just 21 years old and he had so much clarity in his decisions and what he wanted to do. I think there's a lovely quote. A country reveals itself not just by the way, not just by the people it produces, but also by the men it remembers. So I think this movie, to be a part of such a movie that tributes such a legend, I feel like that itself is such an honor. And I think I wouldn't have to be able to do a movie with, of course, our main captain, with Sriram sir, with the owner of the ship, with Dean sir, and of course Agastya and Jaideep sir, to be a part of a movie with Dharamji. I think it's very special. It's a very special movie. The name itself, it's Ikkis, which means a lot to me personally because it's my Nani's birthday, and just a few months before signing this movie, I had lost her, and so somewhere it felt like it was a sign that when this movie came and that the name was Ikkis, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि कहीं ना कहीं it was Nani sort of giving me her blessing. This was
set in 2017, right? 2017. How did you prepare for being in what is a totally different time?
It was, I think, one of the most fun things of this. It was a collaborative effort, of course. The hair, the makeup team, everyone, Sriram sir, Pooja ma'am, they all helped us with, sir used to always wear these amazing t-shirts with his favorite movies, and I think one of them was Tere Ghar Ke Samne, and there were other movies that he had told me to watch, Aradhana, and I used to also I made a playlist for my character, Kiran, and it was just all these songs that we all know and love from that era. And so I used to, while getting ready, I would listen to those songs, and of course we did workshops and a lot of other things which really helped me get into that zone. And there was also I think I noticed something about movies back then and the love, about how it was so soft and unspoken, and there was this longing in it and about it, which I think is very special. I think that's what we try to do and just get that essence of it.
I think in some of the scenes that I was able to see, it really does come through, and it's hard, finding love in those situations and then being apart. Actually, before we talk about the stalwart and the legend who's unfortunately no longer with us, I believe we have an AD that we'd like.
Yeah, the song, you were talking about Simba's casting, and I remember the day we cast her, and we were all sitting together, and I think you said, how did she go? She's from that time. She's actually not from today, and if you just look, also who she is as a person, and today's youth surprises you. They're actually more organic than anyone else, so they're actually going backwards. So I think the film has chosen people, like she said about Anani, but what will actually give you an insight that one of my favorite sections of the film is the chapter at NDA, where their romance blossoms and where they meet.
And you can actually see that it's...
So the AV is that one. So the AV is the song that we just done, and I think that if you can just move on the side so you can play.
So there is this character, Varun's father. Even before I had cast Arun, I had met Agastya, I had met Dharanji, and I had narrated the story to him. And he loved the story, he really connected with it. After that, I made another film, because this was taking time, there was COVID and all that. He used to call me, every week, are you making this film? Are you still making it with me and all that? So I promised him, of course, you're making it with you. And so for me, it's like I'm in a sense blessed that I got to work with him and spend so much time with him. And I'm just, my only regret is, of course, that he couldn't see the whole film. He saw about 70% of it. But he would have loved watching the whole film. And I hope he's watching it up there.
You know, for me, it's very emotional because Dharamji worked with 4 generations of my family. He worked with my great-grandfather, my grandfather, and I had the privilege to share screen space with him. As Sir said, it's a huge privilege, and as he shared, I'm extremely sad that, he couldn't see the love he deserves for this film. And I mean, it's emotional for all of us.
So I had the good fortune of working with him twice, and I think with Teri Baaton Mein and now 21, and I think, I think he's the last of his kind. I feel a legend like him, who you speak to anybody, they only have love for him, and I'll tell you why. He's interested in you. So I'll tell you a story where I saw him waiting outside a lift, and he was talking with the lift man, and I don't think in our busy lives we're that interested in his story. He's earned that love by actually caring about it. And I think the first time I met him, I clearly remember it was in a makeup man, and he was talking to me, and though he was doing Teri Baaton Mein, he was only interested in Kiss. And he loved this story because it also was a story about going back to your parents, right? Which for any person who has left his village or his home and come to a city to work, and he gets a chance to go back, there's nothing better, and all you hear from them is stories about that. And it's so surprising that he did this poem for the film. So I feel the world will miss people like that because they're not made anymore. And I think all the lives he's touched are better human beings. So more than a film, more than anything else, I think we miss the energy he brought.
In fact, the past couple of years, I think it's just been phenomenal. Sriram, rather than we wait every time there's a film that's coming from your kitty, and we're like, ye thodi si eccentric hogi, lekin we're going to take back something home with all gusto and with all Agastyo as well. Agastya, thank you for being a part of this as well. सबसे पहला सवाल जयदीप के लिए. जयदीप सर, वैसे तो आपके कई सारे ट्रेड्स बहुत ज़्यादा यूनिक हैं, लेकिन एक आपका ट्रेड which is the most unique for you, which trait would you choose? थोड़ी सी खुद की आपको वाहवाही करनी थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा आपके लिए, because you're such a humble person. But
नहीं, आप एक्चुअली बाकी से पूछना चाहिए कौन सी अच्छी चीज़ अच्छी लगती है.
ये भी सही है. I think that's also.
अपने मुंह मियां मिट्टू बनना अच्छी आदत है.
तो जरा हम दिनेश विजन सर से पूछते हैं कि
while you were saying that, I was thinking, and I've had the good fortune of working with Irfan sir, and you're talking to him, and what he goes and does is almost God-given. It's like you feel what he's done is he connects with you in a way, like on the screen you feel he's actually there. So after that, if I've seen it somewhere, I've seen it in Jerry. You know, and I mean that so with and I want to do selfishly more and more work with him because what he does to a character is, you know, and Irfan meant a lot to me. So, you know, and while you asked that question, I was thinking, and that's the answer honestly that came to me. And, you know, maybe we do some more work and you'll make me miss him a little less. Thank you.
I think that's emotional and special at the same time, goosebumpy as well. Shriram sir, अगर आपको एक special trait, unique trait, rare trait, अगस्त्य के बारे में बतानी होती, सिमर के बारे में बतानी होती, what would you choose?
अरे बाप रे।
अरे बाप रे।
Special, they're all special people. They have worked with them for 2 years now. I love all of them.
Yeah, but if there's one thing that you could pick, just one, what would that be?
This guy is very sort of, he's very grounded. No, he's like, he's surprised me with the amount of boot camp and all the things he did. And he's always with a smile, So he's rugged out. We've rugged out him. And he's still there and he's smiling and he's done a superb job with it. So you all should say that, not me.
Superb. So we're waiting for 25th, but you can see it in the trailer. I'm 100% sure it's going to be absolutely true. Simar ke baare mein there's a
Simar so somehow we got around from the first moment we met, and she's also Hindi movie buff. So and she saw my t-shirt and she recognized. I said they are good girls. Otherwise most people don't know ये कौन सा film में क्या है, So she said so we got along and she's fun. And actually with all my actors, with Jaideep for example, I mean every scene which he's there in, I mean there will be his contribution not just as an actor but also as the writing and sort of the whole, because we discuss the scenes, we go over it, that's the whole fun of it, So they're very, each one, somehow it happens, where everybody's contributions really adds to the film. And this film is something, even though My Name is Lal, directed by all that jazz, and they put national also, which is I get Spanish. But I'm saying this had an extremely terrific team, and it's like almost like an army. It's like there's a lot of people going to come together and do something. So this film has been my DOP, my editor, my co-writers, and my sound, everything, music, all this is there. Of course, actors, and so sometimes even though it's taken some time, it's been great fun as we remember as we see it in front of us.
Right. Of course, it'll be too long for us to discuss everyone's rare traits, but जयदीप रावत मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ श्रीराम राघवन की कोई एक खास बात, कोई eccentric बात, कोई rare quality, if you would want to share.
I love that. Thank you for asking this.
Good, I'm glad.
Shriram sir, I always wanted to work with him, and I didn't realize कि इस तरह का कुछ किरदार करने को मिलेगा. But the beauty to work with Shriram sir is that he can be a really, really innocent child and the brilliant filmmaker at the same time. Like at the same moment. Because I remember this, he's listening to me almost every day. जब अगला दिन कोई scene होता है तो we used to sit and we used to discuss the scene and अच्छा ये क्या होना चाहिए, इसके बारे में क्या होना चाहिए. He's not asking, he's not confused. He's just trying to make it more layered. And taking very small hits from the co-actors and the writer and the ADs, and everybody is there, like 15 people are there. And he's just listening because he just put the ball in your court and there are 15 people sitting and they're just playing with that. And he's watching how many better shots they can get. And he is, joining those forces. And the next day you will see the scene in a very different light. And you could see his face, if somebody said something which is very nice, you could see Shriram sir's face where it lights up. Like, oh my God, I got something more. Just to layer that thing into that scene. I love that quality. I love that process of a filmmaker who is not that, okay, I am the director and I'll make it how I want to make it. So it's always about that collaboration of people, the mind, and writers, directors, actors. You don't feel like अच्छा हाँ वो actor है वो आएगा अपनी band से उतर के तब हम काम करें. नहीं, you feel the part of that unit, and I love that idea.
So this is not limited only to the actors. So Shriram, I'm going to let the cat out of the. So I've known Shriram for most of my filmmaking life, and he has this rare trait where in the night he will sit and he'll write a letter to a very legendary filmmaker like Hitchcock and he'll write, this is the scene I'm shooting tomorrow, or this is the story, and somewhere where I'm stuck, he'll write, you know, I'm stuck here, what do you think I should do? This is not the strange part. He'll reply as Hitchcock what the answer is. They don't. Okay,
That's amazing.
Okay, so because Sriram Raghavan is my favorite filmmaker, I thought I'll just take
your time.
side note. So what we're going to do on this film, just to make it more interesting, because generally we are here talking about a film, I want this film to mean as much to y'all and us when we are talking. So I think what we're going to do is, from tomorrow it's 21 days till 21 releases. So as soon as Sriram gives us the copy, which is we're trying to get him to give it at least 11 days before, whenever we or wherever we travel, we will first show the film and then talk about it. You know, that's how much we love this film. So about 10-11 days before we start doing it, and on the 21st of December, which is 4 days before the release, we're going to watch this film in Bombay along with 21 other cities where people from all across will come together and see the film together. And that's what we've decided, because it's easier to say it's the best film we've made. We need to put it out and get people involved so there's more conversation. So that's 2 bits of news which should be fun. You know?
Fabulous. Cannot wait at all. Lots of geniuses on the stage and काफी बातें होंगी. जरा हम just जैसे आप unpredictable actor हैं, आप just predict मत कीजिए कि यहाँ कौन से सवाल आएंगे. अगर आपको सवाल का जवाब देने का मन ना करे, you can absolutely say, shut up, Prerna, and we will move on. Because that's how much we love you. जदीद सर, अगर आप कोई खाने की आइटम होते तो क्या होते? समोसा, गुलाब जामुन, शीला या पैनकेक या भेलपूरी?
I think इनमें से होता तो मैं समोसा हूँ.
समोसा.
आप ये मतलब पूछना क्यों?
बिल्कुल नहीं सर, वही मैं कह रही हूँ. अगर आप प्रिडिक्ट नहीं, मूविंग ऑन, अगर जब आपको बहुत ज्यादा जोर से भूख लग जाती है, तब आपको क्या लगता है किस प्रकार के जानवर को डिपिक्ट करते हैं? Is it a tiger, a lion, a cow, a butterfly? When you're very very hungry, what do you feel like?
Butterfly.
It would be.
How does butterfly feel like?
Sir, I have told you this earlier. I will say it again. Do not predict.
Butterfly, sir.
Butterfly. I'm not going to ask you why.
He starts fluttering.
That's probably it. Sir, आपके प्लेट में सबसे ज़्यादा फाइट किस चीज़ की होती है? टेस्ट या कैलोरीज? Because you're an actor, you have to take care of the way you look, etc. Taste या कैलोरीज? What do you find?
Depends कि उस टाइम पे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. अगर मैं कुछ शाह के रात कर रहा हूँ तो टेस्ट चाहिए.
जी.
पर I'm sure सर ये जानते हैं कि इस टाइम जब ये कर रहा था मैं, I had to be like, you know, तो उस वक्त कैलोरीज का.
Super. That is of course Jaideep Ahlawat sir for us. आखिरी जो कुछ सवाल हैं जयदीप सर के लिए कॉफी को लेकर है. सर, कॉफी आपके जीवन में कितनी मायने रखती है?
ठीक-ठाक मायने रखती है.
ठीक-ठाक मायने रखती है. ओके. अगर आप किसी सेलिब्रिटी के साथ में कॉफी डेट पे जाते तो आप किस सेलिब्रिटी को चूज करते हैं?
अगस्त्य.
किसको? और अगस्त्य से सबसे पहला सवाल आप क्या पूछते हैं? आप नहीं जानते हैं. We are assuming that you don't know each other. You're on a date. What exactly you are asking us?
21 साइन करने से पहले कितना जानते थे रोटी तक बात हुआ?
Very nice. Very nice. The last one. What is the maximum number of coffee cups you've had in a day? आपने खुद का रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिया है and you were amazed. You couldn't sleep. What is the number, sir?
मैं बिल्कुल नहीं कह पाऊंगा कि मैंने गिने थे, बट मुझे लगता है 10 से ऊपर हो गए.
And this was around the time of shooting?
This was around the time of shooting of Maharaj.
Good. That is amazing. Guys, can we please clap for Jaideep Ahlawat? Can we also have a huge round of applause for him? A little ansh of the Netraji is going to be with us for the rest of our lives thanks to this film. Dinesh Vijan, as always, I'm constantly grateful because of the entertainment you provide. Sriram Raghavan, the films that you've given have formed us in ways or two. Tonight I'm also going to write a letter to I don't know who, and I will reply back to myself. Agastya, wishing you all the best. Simar, to you too. Thank you so much, Ronak ma'am. Guys, can we please have a huge round of applause for Nikki, for yourselves, for being so amazing. आप जाएं उससे पहले जयदीप and everybody यहाँ पे एक मग रखा हुआ है. If you would like to sign that, that'll be lovely. मेरा नाम प्रेरणा है. Madhya is going to come back on stage. We've got some goodies for you. So before you leave, please take the goodies as well. 25th of December, Increase in the theatre.
और जिसको 21 का इंतजार रहेगा.
हो. अब कर.
Ladies and gentlemen, Team Ikis in the house. I would want all of our panelists, Sriram sir, Agastya, Dineshi, Jerry. I want all of you to please go ahead and place your coffee mug on the wall of Webzilla before we move forward.
मेरे साइड हो जाओ यार. साइड. ओए तुषार.
Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely Simar Bhatia, Agastya Nanda, Jaideep Ahrawat, Sriram Raghavan, Dinesh Mission.
Sit down.
Beautiful moderator, very
Hello.
smart. He has navigated through all of the questions. Ronak Roy. Ladies and gentlemen, the last discussion for the first day at Bollywood Hangama OTT India Fest Summit Awards 2025.
अरे बैठ जाओ भाई.
I think it only makes sense that we all come together for a photograph. That's what all of them are waiting for. A lot of you brought you also, please join.
नीचे बैठो. ओ जाफर भाई. अरे हो जाता.
बैटरी बंद हो गई ना.
हाँ तो हो गया ना. रोल कट हो गया, वो हो गया, बात सेम ही होती है.